Hello tubers. I wanted to do some more work on Bugsy today, but I needed parts and we are still in kind of lockdown. We're free to leave our homes, but all the parts stores are closed for walk-in and we really need to walk in to find parts for hot rods. So I thought I'll do some work on the Ram. I might have mentioned before that he's got an engine fault code, which I kind of knew what it was. So I thought I'll work on the Ram, which is what I did. And then guess what? I need parts. The good news is this coming Friday, places are going to open up. It's been announced. We're moving into phase one, whatever that is. The parts stores will be open for limited capacity, but that's great news. We can finally start shopping. I know that Alan at Hook's Hot Rods, he was getting frustrated in his last video because he needed parts that he had to walk in, touchy-feely, compare stuff. So hopefully we're nearing the end of this nightmare. So I think today I need to basically just do what I can with what I have. So I think we are going to work on some body work, namely these dark patches and that big red patch on the roof. And as I say, I'm just going to use whatever I've got lying about. Right then, prepare to be horrified. I'm going to use an angle grinder and an actual sanding disc on this section. I already tried the poly disc and it just didn't work. This stuff is too deep. I don't care what you say. I'm doing it. I'm using the sanding disc. You can switch off now if you like, but this is what I'm doing. Go and grab a cushion to hide behind. This is some crazy vintage stubborn steel. It's a bit better than it was, but even putting a lot of pressure on that grinding disc, the sander, it's still not getting down into the metal. You probably saw a lack of sparks. You would expect a lot of sparks with an actual sanding disc on bare metal, but no. It's weird. Anyway, that's better, I think. If you compare that to that, and that to that. So I think I will proceed. I need to keep changing the discs though, because they do get worn down pretty quickly with this steel. So I'll do that section, and then I think I'll attempt the big red section up there and get some clear coat on it before the thunderstorm comes. It's up there somewhere. Okay, I've done my best. As much as I tried, that side will not go brighter than that. The back section's not too bad, it's not quite as obvious. Yeah, that's a bit better. I don't want to go too mad. I'll probably be painting the whole thing next year anyway, so let's not make the metal too thin. So this side's definitely a bit better than up there. The other side's just dirty. I'll need to wipe that down before I paint it. Oh, okay then. Tell you what, it's pretty hot, and it's even worse when you've got the sun reflecting off bare metal. You're getting twice as hot. Right, let me grab some clear, protect that before the rain comes. It's marginally better. While that's baking in the sun, let us test a theory. I have advanced my timing 3 or 4 degrees in hopes that my lazy start problem is now gone. So I will start the car up, let it run for a while, make sure the temperature's up to where it's supposed to be, 180 or whatever. Switch it off. See if it starts without a fight. Chirping. Do you want to guess what's making the chirp sound? Let me know. Must be something to do with those exhausts I put in. Wasn't doing that before. Anyway, I'll see you when it's all hot and bothered. That should do it. And now we wait for 5 minutes to let the heat soaking commence. I don't know about the car, but I'm pretty heat soaked. Let's see how this paint is doing. Not that you can tell when you put clear on. In fact, I don't even know if I've got the clear coat on everywhere because, you know, it's clear. There's not exactly a lot of places to, you know, make sure. It looks fine. I think once the fan goes off, I'll try starting it. How's that for a plan? You know what? I don't think the fan's ever going to go off. So let's try it before it's actually too cold. And that would have defeated the point of warming it up. Right, here we go. Place your bets. All those who said that advance the timing, this is on you. Once more for luck. Right then. Raise your hand if you said timing. That seems to have been the culprit. I need to invest in a new timing light. The one I've got obviously is making mistakes. Good job. Thanks everyone. I'm just going to sit here and melt. It's like 36 degrees today. Centigrade for you Americans that don't understand, that's something Fahrenheit. I'll post it up here somewhere. I was kind of hoping the rain would be here by now, so I would have an excuse to stop working. I don't need an excuse. It's too hot. I'm going inside. Thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Fake sneeze.